Right, another cracker. Let's get on with it. It's a 2019 BMW R1200 GS Adventure. Yep, and it's the Rallye. So come on, let's have a look at it. Let's have a walk around. Let's see what you think to it. See if you like it. If you do like it, give us a like and subscribe. It's the only way of supporting our little channel here and our little family-run business. So hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and put the bell on. Hype us if you know how to do that, because I don't. It all helps the algorithm. Right, we're going to walk around this with no edit, showing you the condition of the bike. It's not how to, but I might show you some things, but more to do with the condition of the bike and whether you want it in your shed. That's number one. So, start at the front. What do you know about GS Adventures? Well, this is a liquid cooled one. Loads of horsepower, loads of grunt, big boxer twin. So for any of you who don't know what a boxer is, that's horizontally opposed engine. Gives loads of torque, lots of character, and makes for a good ride. There must be a reason why so many people in the world are riding these. And whether it's the engine, whether it's the overall package, I don't know. But overall, it's all good. So, being the Adventure, it's a taller bike. And this one apparently belonged to a chap who was in that in-between being too short for a tall one and too tall for a short one. So, I think it's got a lowered seat on it. That's what I've just been told. So, starting at the front, you get the beak. Being a GS Adventure, obviously you get all the toys and a bigger tank and everything else. And being a Rallye, well, you get the gorgeous colour scheme. So we've got a beak, that's number one. And then we move up, we've got a headlight protector. That protects your investment, because those LED headlights, you don't want to be buying another. The one you've got is all you want to spend your money on, so get a protector. Being a GS Adventure, you get upper and lower engine bars, and down there's a bash plate. Look at the condition of the headers, and in a minute when we run it up, because we'll get to hear the bike, you can see the mileage and see if you can sort of guess as I'm walking around what it is. Drop it in the comments below if you want to just play for giggles. Up here we've got Buster's Storm handguards. Not sure why they've changed them from the BMW ones, but these do look quite tricky. We've got tinted extra wind deflectors there as well, and they look good. Yeah, these Busters ones have got full solid aluminium backing there. God, this camera's pointing somewhere else. Keep your eye on that. So they are a bit tougher than the standard ones. We've got heated grips on this, and anyone who knows, I'll tell you all the time, if you've got the back of your hands are nice and warm, and your hand itself is rested on there, whilst warmness is going around your hands where your blood, going around your body, heats your whole body up as well. Now, being the TE Rallye, so the TE top spec and then it's Rallye on top, you get the sat-nav hardwired in. This has got extra bar risers on there as well. Let's get down there and show you those. Set of extra bar risers just to make it even more comfortable and more laid back. The spongy hand grips, well, not my favourite thing. They are comfy, but obviously they hold water. But for the new owner, you can decide. There's no point me chopping them off when you might like them. Keyless ride. There's a key up there. That's so I don't lose it. It doesn't have to live there. I just put it up there so I don't lose it. We've got a sun visor and a protector, and then it's got a sort of a film on the TFT screen as well. So we've got TFT screen on this one. Moving down, rocker covers all looking nice. Engine bars all nice. Got the GS pegs there, nice off-roady style pegs. Dynamic ESA on the back. Obviously ESA meaning electronic suspension adjustment. Black wheels, looks really smart, and being the Rallye, it also gets the black engine, black transmission, black wheels, like a triple black spec. Also, being a GSA, you get the luggage grids. They come on the bike, and also the rack there. Don't get the luggage, but you do get the grids to put it on. Sticking your eyes in there. Oh, he says, where are we looking? You can see the condition of the shock and everything is all looking nice. And that in part, I put your teeth back in, I told you it was no edit. That in part is helped by the MudSlinger in here. So that's an extra, it's plastic cover, sits in there, Stops you chucking muck all over your shop. Coming down, let's look at this nice black shaft to go with the black transmission theme. And it's a nice black smooth shaft without the pimples and knobblies on it. All in good order. Yep. So we all like a nice, clean, non-pimply shaft. Moving round, in there, you might not be able to tell, but I can. This has got the quick shifter. Moving up, again, looking round, that gorgeous Rallye paint job with the blue frame, which does look good. If you don't like it, well, don't buy it, but I think that looks smashing. Just elevates the bike a little bit. There's walking around as well, handy dandy thingamajig, little pot there to put your bits and pieces in. I usually keep the keyless key in there, which is probably not the best idea, but I do. And then over here, it's also got the SOS button on this one. So if you do get yourself in a tangle, press that button. Moving around and down, we've got spotlights or riding lights. And then down the bottom here, to go along with that rear MudSlinger, we've also got like a Fender Extender on there, and that helps protect your investment, stops that front cover chipping and going all pimply. You wouldn't want your front to be all pimply, so this isn't. So whoever's owned this bike, they've looked after it well, they've put the right accessories on to help keep it that way, and yeah, done a good job of that. Done really well. So that's the bike. What can we do for you on this bike? Well, if you've got a part exchange, that'd be the first thing I would have thought. So let's pop up here and have a little look at our key ring where I keep all my information ready for you on these videos. So if you go to that place, yep, that's us, that's the website, and on there you'll find a form, spookily marked Part X. Guess what that's about? Fill that in. I'll have all the information of your donkey, your carrot, your boat, your helicopter, whatever your Part X in. Keep hold of that number there if you want some monthly payments to do the finance, etc. We need to speak to one of you. You need to speak to one of us, sorry. So keep hold of that number. All that information is on the website, of course, as well. So nip there if you need to. So that's that side of things. Then we come to delivery. Well, here at the Real Toy Shop, we have always delivered all of our bikes for absolutely nothing. That's me in the trusty crafter van. So if you see it out and about, the Real Toy Shop crafter van, please give us a little wave and we will try to do the same back. And that covers mainland UK. Irish guys will meet you at Cairn Ryan or Holyhead, or with a number of a fantastic courier, and we can do something with the monies if you'd rather use him and get it to your door. So that's how we work the deliveries. Get on the website, everything's on there, time frames, all that good stuff. So yeah, right, that's that out of the way. But just having said that, just because we're delivering doesn't mean you can't come and have a look. Come in the car on a rainy day, we'll drop it off another day. But also, if you are having it delivered, I understand some people are busy and they can't get, use this as your receipt. So we don't expect to see any dints there when it arrives, because on this receipt here, there isn't one. Get me? Yeah, hope so. Right. Without further ado, we need to make it make a noise, don't we? Yes. Doesn't that look well stood there? So, before we make it make a noise, do you need permission off anybody? What do you mean, Matt? Your mother, your brother, your dad or your lover? You've got to ask them. If you do, get them asked, and then we'll have a long conversation on the phone. We love to talk bikes and we'll speak to you all day. But ask your missus first. Yep. You know what I mean. We don't like long conversation at the end. I'm off to ask my missus. Just tell us you don't like us. Right. Noise time. TFT. Boom. BMW motor. Whoa, we've got an M badge. I like that. That looks good. And then we've got the TFT screen, which does everything, showing 24,575. Heated grips, of course. Cruise control, of course. Electric suspension, of course. Spotlights, of course. Thumb wheel here to talk you through things. I don't know how to work any of it, but we'll try. Oh yeah, telling us all sorts on here, look. Range, tyre pressures, engine temperature. Oh yeah, oh we like that. Onboard computer, 54.3 miles per gallon. Can you see that? That flipping light on there, look. That's nuts. Right, noise time. I've had enough now. Love it. Love that. Love that. Engine. And I hope you already know that I've run it up. Ready? Oh, lordy, 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 lordy. Why is the ABS flashing, Matt? Well, we all know. Go and watch another video. We've got dozens of them. And if you know, drop it in the comments down below. I'm tired of saying it now. Any more than I am, ask your missus. So, drop it in the comments down below. Just after you've liked and subscribed and got off the TV and done it on your mobile, just to show us that you support the motorcycling industry and us in general, because we like that. Once more for the kiddies. Yep, sounds well. Right, zoom back. What can we do for you? Right, you want this in your shed, don't you? Of course you do. Why wouldn't you? So, number one, get your part exchange form filled in. Number two, if you need some monthly payments, you need to speak to us in the office and we'll sort that out for you. Number three, let's get it paid for. Let's get it in a van and get it to you as quick as we can. Can't say fairer than that, can we? Like I said, go watch some other videos. See what we point out on them. See, you know, if I'm pointing out rust and corrosion, you know that there's none on this. YouTube thinks you'll probably like this here video here, or this here playlist here. God, my finger's big there. But that's the one there. Hit that subscribe button. Help us grow this little family channel. And we'll see you on the next one. What will it be? Not sure. But there'll be another. Ask your missus first. Loads of videos coming.